You just spent $1,000 on a strange internet coin. Your friends think you're crazy. Your family laughs at you. And honestly, you're not even sure you're making the right decision. It's January 2010. You're sitting alone in your room late at night, scrolling through internet forums when you discover something called Bitcoin. A digital currency. No banks, no government, no physical coins, just code. Most people dismiss it immediately. Some call it a scam, others call it a joke. But after hours of reading, researching, and thinking, you decide to take a chance. You invest $1,000. At the time, Bitcoin is worth only a few cents. You click the buy button and hope for the best. Days pass, nothing happens, weeks pass, still nothing. Your friends keep reminding you that you've wasted your money. Months go by and your investment barely moves. You start questioning yourself. Maybe they were right. Maybe this really was a mistake. Then one morning, you open your computer and notice something different. The price is rising, slowly at first, then faster. Your $1,000 becomes $2,000, then $5,000, then $10,000. The same people who laughed at you are suddenly asking questions. What is Bitcoin? Should I buy some too? But you don't sell. You hold. As the years pass, Bitcoin keeps climbing. There are crashes. There are scary headlines. There are moments when everyone says it's over. But each time, it comes back stronger. Your investment grows to $50,000, then $100,000, then far beyond anything you imagined. The money changes your life. You move into a better home. You travel more. You gain financial freedom. But the biggest change isn't the wealth, it's the lesson. The lesson that sometimes the biggest opportunities look ridiculous in the beginning. The lesson that belief often comes before proof. And the lesson that one decision can completely change the direction of your life. 15 years later, you look back at that night in 2010. One computer, one decision, $1,000, and a future nobody could see. Now imagine this. If you had the chance to go back in time, would you make the same choice? For more wealth stories, investing scenarios, and life-changing financial lessons, follow What If Wealth and join us for the next journey. Because the next opportunity might be closer than you think.